Welcome back to Overheat, Mercedes Benz Motorhome 2026. External. Compared to the previous model, the overall shape will be sleeker and more aerodynamic, which will enhance fuel efficiency in addition to modern aesthetics. Adaptive LED matrix technology will be used in the front and rear lighting systems. Advanced composite materials like lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber will be used on a regular basis. A slide-out or automated folding mechanism that is completely incorporated into the vehicle body will be used for the entry doors. High-power, completely integrated flexible solar panels will be installed on the roof. Smart glass technology, which can switch from entirely transparent to opaque at the push of a button, will be used for the big windows. Interior, 2 or 3 smoothly integrated high-resolution OLED screens will take center stage on the dashboard. This system, which is an expansion of Mercedes-Benz's MBUX Hyperscreen, will have capabilities unique to motorhomes, like tank monitoring and control over the water and electricity systems. When not in use, the main bed may have a sliding or folding mechanism to make the most of available space. Garden, a multi-purpose oven, microwave, an integrated sink, an efficient compressor refrigerator freezer, and a hidden induction cooktop. Pull-out drawers and rotating shelves are clever storage solutions that make the most of available space. There are USB-C charging connections all over the cabin, a built-in 5 Wi-Fi hotspot, and Starlink or a similar service for satellite access in remote locations. Full electric EQV-based, the full electric variant will provide zero emissions and incredibly silent operation for city or medium distance travel. Plug-in hybrid PHEV. This option combines an electric motor for short range of mode with an economical gasoline or diesel engine for long-distance driving. By automatically modifying damping in response to road conditions and vehicle load, the adaptive air suspension system AIRMATIC offers a very comfortable ride. Safety features include a high-resolution camera and automatic parking assist.